Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, click that button down below and subscribe. So today's look is this one right here. It's this beautiful red, sparkly, glittery wing liner eye look. It is super gorgeous for Valentine's Day or for whatever occasion that you're looking to create this look right here. Hopefully you do. And it was super simple. I couldn't believe how easy this look was, and I'm super happy with it. So if you guys want to see how I did this look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm really excited for today's look, but before we get into that, as you can see, I have my brows filled in and cleaned up, as you can see. And let me tell you guys, if you guys saw my maybe like 2 videos ago, I had showed you guys that I used this for the very first time. This is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and I absolutely love it, you guys. I picked up the shade 4.5, and that is the one that I actually stuck with. At first, I was just like, I don't know how to use it. It's really thick, and it's not pencil-like. So let me show you guys really quick what it looks like. So it looks like that. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's thicker, it's angled, and honestly, you really, when you use this, you don't need to apply too much pressure. It literally glides on the product super nicely, and I've been using this every single day since maybe like 2 days after I did the video, and I was like, I want to learn how to work this, like, can I master it or whatever. And actually, like, I'm super proud of myself because I was able to figure out how to work with it and fill my brows in. And I've also been using the brow gel with it. It's also 4.5. I will leave what the little trio thing that I purchased down below for you guys in case you guys are interested and wanting to try it, but I absolutely love it. I will definitely be purchasing the bigger size. Moving on to eyes, so I already have them prepped and ready. As you can see, I went in with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I apply that all over the lid. So like I said, I am excited for today's video because I am going to do an all red eye look, and I'm going to use glitter. So I'm super excited and nervous because I really hope that this comes out really nice, and I'm super nervous, but we're gonna jump into it now. All right, so the palette I'm gonna go in with first is this one. This is the one from NYX. This is the Ultimate Shadow Palette, and this is the Brights palette. As you can see, it has these beautiful bright shades. I have not used this in a video yet, I don't think. I'm pretty sure I haven't, but I have tried these shadows out, and they are actually really good. So since I said I am going to do an all red eyeshadow look, well, attempt to do an all red glittery shadow look, I'm gonna go in with this shade first. This is the nice red, and I'm going to apply that with a MAC 217. I'm going to apply that on the crease, and we're just gonna start building up this. Well, I mean, you don't really need to build up the shade because it's pretty much like very pigmented. So we're just going to apply that and just start applying that and blending it out. I feel like I should have gone in with some tape, but you know what? This is all about challenging myself and seeing if I can actually do it without tape, without a guide. But if you want to add tape, do so if you feel more comfortable. But you know what? I think I'm going to challenge myself. So I'm going to grab a little bit more and just keep blending that out. Now I'm going to grab this Morphe M441 brush. There's no product. I'm going to grab absolutely nothing. And I'm just going to blend this shadow out and blow it out a little bit. So I'm adding a little bit more here just because I added way more on this side, on the right side. So that's okay. We're just going to add a little more and then just go in with that Morphe M441 brush and blend it out. All right, so now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna grab my Morphe 39A palette and I'm gonna grab this beautiful red shade here. And you guys, this I've used before, super duper pigmented. So that one is actually called Snatched, I believe. I'm pretty sure that one's Snatched. So I'm just grabbing that shade, tapping off whatever's left on the brush. And this is just a BH Cosmetics brush. And I'm just going to apply that all over the lid. You guys, how beautiful is that shade right there? Isn't it super gorgeous? Like, it's super pigmented. I didn't even have to add concealer as a base or anything. I mean, it is a gorgeous shade. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab that MAC 217 brush. I'm gonna go in with that red again. I'm gonna grab a little bit of this pink and a little bit of this corally shade. Go back into those three. And I'm going to add a little bit more onto the crease right here. I'm going to grab that Morphe M441 brush again and just blend that out. Alright guys, so I'm super nervous. We're going to jump into glitter now. I'm going to grab this NYX glitter, and this is in the shade Red. I'm also going to use this NYX glitter primer. This is a glue, and it's going to have, it's going to help the glitter adhere and stick to the lid and not go anywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this flat shader brush right here. This is also from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to grab a little bit of the glue and apply it on the back of my hand just like that. And then I'm grabbing the brush and I'm just grabbing a little bit of the glue. And I'm just going to apply that on the lid where I'm going to be applying the glitter. So I applied that all over the lid. I'm also going to apply it on this side, all over the lid. And now comes the glitter, and I'm super nervous. So I have to remove this little sticky thing here so I can get to the glitter. Okay, and I'm going to use the cap and apply, well, and pour some in there. I'm going to grab the glitter and I'm just going to start applying that onto the lid. And be careful, you don't want to get any of the glitter inside of your eyes. So be very careful when you're dealing with glitter. All right, so I have to admit, the process was not bad at all. I was just really nervous, and honestly, that was actually really, really quick, applying 2 shadows, glue, and some glitter. So now I'm gonna go in with this right here. This is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Trooper Black. Alright, so as you can see, I'm done applying eyeliner. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some lashes off camera, clean up any of the fallout on my face, and then we are going to jump into primer. So I will be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, I finished applying my lashes. I went in with the Kiss number 11 lashes. I also applied those with the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive Clear with Aloe Gel. This is my favorite eyelash gel. And I also added a little bit more of the Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil, just because my eyebrows looked a little bit light and I had a heavy eye look, so I need to balance it out. So there you go. I darkened them up a little bit, not too much, and I cleaned off some of the fallout that I had on my face. So moving on to primer, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier primer. This is the hydrating one. And you guys already know I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Benefit Professional. And for foundation today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation. For concealer, I'm going to go in with one of my favorites. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. Now I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast, and I'm going to use this to cream contour. To set my under eye, I have been loving my Coty Airspun powder, so that's what I'm going to do to set the concealer on the under eye. Now to set that contour, I'm going to go in with my Shade and Light palette. So I've been doing this a lot when I've been doing some of my glam looks. I've been reverse contouring. So what I like to do is grab the damp sponge, and like I said, I've been loving my Coty Airspun, so I'm gonna grab that Coty Airspun just like that and literally cut the contour. And it's just literally cleaning it up just like that. You could do it on the chin, the forehead if you'd like. And pretty much we're just gonna let that bake a little bit. I'm not really into baking just because I do have some dry areas over here, and that is why I went in with the Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer. So I don't leave it on for too long. I just leave it, I mean honestly, if I remove it now, you're gonna see the difference. So I'm going to grab like a powder brush. And it's so instant. You see, like literally that was like what, not even a minute or maybe close to a minute. And it already did what it was supposed to do. So as you can see, just like that. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to jump right back into the eyes, and I'm just going to apply shadow on the lower part of the eye. I'm gonna go in with these 3 shades here from the palette. I hope you saw that, those 3 right there. And I'm grabbing a Morphe M506 brush. Now I'm going to go in with this Marc Jacobs gel pencil, and this is in the shade Blacker, and I'm just going to tight line the lower lash line and the top part of the eye. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara. Alright, so now that I'm pretty much done with the eyes, I am going to apply blush. So I'm going to grab this palette here. This is a Tarte palette, and I'm just going to go into these 3 shades here. This one is called Fortunate, Skillful, and Exhilaration. Alright, so now for highlighter, I'm going to grab this one from Wet n Wild. This one is in the shade I'm So Lit. You guys, this highlighter is so beaming. Like, it's gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Alright, so now moving on to lips. I'm gonna grab an oldie but goodie. This is the Jordana lip liner in the shade Tawny. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with this MAC one. This is in the shade Blankety. I want to outline my lips just a little bit, so I'm going to grab this other lip liner. This one is from Rimmel, and this one is in the shade Cafe Au Lait. Cafe Au Lait? I don't know, but that's number 45. Now I'm going to go in and set my face with the Makeup Revolution setting spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. What do you guys think? I absolutely love it. I am so surprised on how well it turned out, because red is one of those colors that is super hard to work with and it's super intimidating. So for me to see how well everything turned out, I'm just super happy with it. And I mean, it was really easy. I thought it was going to be difficult, but it was so easy. So if you are trying to recreate this look right here, follow my steps and I promise you it will turn out just beautiful. This look is going to be absolutely gorgeous for Valentine's Day. And if you guys do decide to recreate this look, leave me a comment down below letting me know. I would love to hear and to hear how well it turned out for you. Also, that NYX palette is absolutely amazing to add to your collection, so definitely pick that up. It has those vibrant shades, and you know, you never know when you're going to need a bold color like that, so definitely pick that up, and they work really nicely. They blend, they have the pigmentation, everything is there, and the price is not bad either. So I picked mine up at Ulta in case you were curious. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.